Welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I'm your host Brandon, and today we are getting into the house of Mancera. Okay, not too many left in this discovery kit, but we have Sicily Mancera today. All right, Sicily Mancera. All right, where's this one at here? Bam! Look at that. All right, so I see an orange, a pineapple, a lime. Very citrusy, very citrusy. I was in Italy. I didn't get a chance to go to Sicily. So let's see if this is, you know, takes you in the area of Italy, right? So go ahead and unsheathe this thing. I think we win in an autofocus. Yeah, for the first time in months. Okay, DJI, back on the Grizzy. Let's go ahead and get this in the spirit. Oh, wow. Okay, there it is. Boom. You have citrus, fruity, sweet, spice, fresh, powdery, and white floral. Man, I am a sucker for white floral. Let's see what they have listed. So Mancera says it's a fruity citrus, a refreshing burst of Sicilian bergamot, grapefruit, delicate sweet. Oh, wow, this is nice. Delicately sweetened by peaches and pineapples. Notes: bergamot, grapefruit, peach, and pineapple. This is probably one of the better grapefruits that I have smelled. And there's definitely a peach note in there. I like this. I like this a lot. Definitely more for a woman, for sure. But this in a sundress? Listen, it's game over. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Let's see what Fragrantica is talking about. They say Mandarin orange, grapefruit, peach, pineapple, bergamot, apples in the top notes. In the middle notes, you have jasmine, ylang, violet, rose, white musk, and woody notes. Okay. Woody notes. Not getting that. But again, this is probably one of the best grapefruits. It's definitely a peach-leaning fragrance. I smell the bergamot and the white musk and the jasmine. Those are the prominent smells. I like this. I like this a lot. I think out of the pack, this is the best blended one. It's straightforward. It's in your face. It's what it wants to be. It's not trying to be creative in the aspect of, like, you know, trying to catch you off guard. It's straightforward. I would say this is for all ages, man. Like, this is a beautiful summer day, headed to the beach, headed back from the beach. I like this a lot. Yeah, in my opinion, Sicily is the best Mancera fragrance out of the discovery kit so far. Nice oil concentration. So it's glistening. That bergamot is that grapefruit, man. You know, I hate grapefruit. Like, I think it's like the worst fruit ever. Like, I don't understand why people eat them. But as a note, I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. This is well done. Well done from the house of Mancera. All right. Let me know what you guys think of the Sicily fragrance. All right. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. This is the InScentive Collection. One thing I know for sure, YouTube is making some excellent recommendations right now. Look at that glare. Check them out. I also have the other fragrances in the on the channel in a playlist. So check that out. Stay tuned. Stay connected. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.